Hi guys, so this exercise now is looking at what we refer to as clock circles. So this exercise I use for a number of reasons for clients. Now I either use it to help with ankle mobility, I use it to help with balance, I use it to help with sort of knee rehab, and there's loads of different reasons you can use this exercise. Now the first thing you need to know is that you need to imagine that you're standing in the middle of a clock face, okay? So at the front it's 12 o'clock, at the back it's 6 o'clock, you got 3 o'clock and you got 9 o'clock, okay? And then all the other numbers in between. So with this now, what we're going to do is literally going to tap and reach towards the 12, the 1, 2, 3, and so on, okay? Now with this, again, everybody's different, so the reason that they're going to use this is completely different. So there's a number of variations. So for example, if we were looking at knee rehab and maybe ankle mobility, we're looking at starting off as far as we can reach, and then we want to see if we can reach that little bit further, okay? So again, sort of 3 o'clock, we go to where we can, and then we're going to try and reach that little bit more. It's also great for hips as well, to get some stability within the hips. And again, sort of 6 o'clock, and take it that way, okay? So with this now, you're trying to go to where you're comfortable, and then maybe progress it a little bit further. Now, one thing you can do is, obviously, we go and tap at 12 o'clock, and rather than bringing it back and standing back in the centre, or resting in the centre, you then go to 12 o'clock, bring it back, but without placing the foot down, and then 1 o'clock, and then 2, and 3, and so on. So we're going to work the balance, okay? So you start off wherever you can and you build it up. Now, again, one of the things you can do with this is when we get to, we've got 3 o'clock, we've got 6 o'clock. Now, what some clients do is then change it and they take it with the other foot, okay? The other thing you can do is if you're staying here, okay, to get some more stability within the hips and within the knee joint as well. So we're looking at going from 1, 12, 1, 2, 3. When you get to 6, you're actually using the same leg. 7, 8, 9, you can go that way, or you can go that way, and then bring it round. 10, 11, and 12. So you can literally go around the whole clock face on one leg, okay? So you don't need to swap. But if you do at the moment, just to start off with, then that's absolutely fine. So again, there's loads of variations. There's basically you start small circle. As your confidence progresses, as you become more capable of getting that little bit further and reaching that little bit further, then by all means extend that circle and extend that clock face. Play around with it. It's a great one to do. It's really, really fun to actually get some balance working and see how far you can actually progress. Okay, have fun.